guys, all right, for number one, obviously you see a drill in the video, and that's because my tripod broke, which I'm waiting for a new one. So working on the job, you got to use what you got at your hands. Okay? There, that's said. Today's knee pad day. Okay, we're giving you a little side note today on how important it is to wear knee pads. Take it from me. I've been into extreme sports most of my life. I've been working in the building construction trade for the last 30 years or so. And you know what? You don't start to wear them until you get older and your knees are really bothering you. So, you know, it's a great tip. If you can wear knee pads, go to the Home Depot, go on Amazon. You can go on the internet and look for the best top 10 knee pads. You know, some of them have a Velcro, some of them have a little snap-on. You can adjust them, but find ones that, you know, kind of fit you guys good. Everybody has different leg sizes, but it's a great thing to wear, to have around the house. I can't stress it enough. You know, your knees are laying on concrete or hard wood, and you know all that moving it around, and that's how you tear meniscus. And so you got the point, right? So I'm giving you a great tip. Check in on my daily tips usually every week, and you know, I try to put out there what I think is super important to you guys out there. Okay? Hey, listen, thumbs up. Thanks for joining my channel, and we look forward to giving you some more answers on things. All right, great.